What's going down, y'all? So today, as you can tell with the title or the thumbnail or whatever, I lost $1,000 today. A little over 1,000 too. Why? I'll tell you why. The NQ, the NAS 100 whooped my ass, y'all. And check this out. So the ES, the S&P 500, I trade that every day. It was moving slow. It was doing whatever. I flip over the NQ. I look at the charts. I'm realizing the NQ is moving like crazy. It's clearing hundreds of ticks, right? It's just hundreds of ticks. So I hopped in it because I'm like, the strategy's sound. The strategy's legit. The R&R and where your stop loss is at is a completely different ball game when it comes to the NAS 100. And I learned that real fast. I thought, I normally risk 20 to get 60, a 1 to 3, but I was like, all right, maybe since the NAS moves so crazy, I can risk maybe like 40, right, or 50 and get like 160. Very possible. It's just your entries need to be on point, but I need to back test the shit. And that's the thing. I even told myself in the live stream, like, this is where it's at right now, but I need to back test it over this weekend. And then my dumb ass hops in on the NAS live. Yo, but I tell you, man, it was crazy. So moral of the story is, don't underestimate an instrument just because you have a good strategy. You might need to tweak the risk to reward depending on how that instrument moves. Okay, it's like my strategy works across the board. It's just I need to figure out more on like what I'm risking versus what I'm gaining, because with the NAS it's $5 a tick, like $5 a contract, so each tick is $5. With the ES, each contract is $12.50 per tick. I'm like, oh yeah, I just double up on my contracts, $10. I'm used to that anyways. And then when I'm in the trade too, I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot though, I'm like at 30. So just super rookie mistakes. I'm not mad at the NAS 100, the NQ or whatever. I'm not mad at it. I just need to back test it like I said I was gonna do. So yeah, man, took $1,000 hit today. Going into this week, I was only $1,000 away from passing. And then with the loss from Monday, and then I recouped some of that on Tuesday. Today was just like losing 1,000 just pretty much put me close to losing the account. I ain't gonna front because I made so much on the account. My maximum drawdown has risen all the way up to the max, which is I can't lose $50,000 of the account now. Just making dumb moves, just stupid moves. If something's working for you and you want to switch to another pair or another market or something, like just back test it. Or if you don't care, like if you don't care too much about back testing, like me I wasn't too big into back testing. I like to like forward test or whatever. Just use a sim account. Okay, just use the sim account and try it out. I'm not giving up on the NQ. I feel that the NQ has a lot of potential. And yeah, let's get into where you saw me fuck up. I don't know if I'm gonna show the live trades. I mean, because it's really fast. It's super fast. I'm telling you, it's fast. The way the NAS moves. But I'll show you what I was thinking on some of these trades. All right, let's get into the trades. All right, so real nice and quick, because these trades stopped me out super quick. But here was the open. I drew my 2 zones and price was trending down. First trade, I just thought it was breaking this and continuing to trend down. I got stopped out right here. Hopped in this candle. Thought price would continue to make its way down to this demand zone. Price bounced. What I didn't see, there was this area it bounced off of, which was like 1, 2. And then this would have been like the third area. Right, I didn't see that, but didn't see it, got stopped out. All right, second trade, saw this trend line down. Yeah, I thought it was just going to continue to go down. Again, I'm thinking it's going to aim for this demand zone. Thought it was just a pullback. Price went down, up, down, pulled back up, coming down, so I hopped in. Again, price just consolidated and then knocked me out. This was a heavy area of contracts, so that's another reason why I thought it was just gonna fall, which it did. But again, my stop loss just wasn't on point, right? My stop loss or my entry, right? It wasn't on point. The last trade, this was the news bar. This was ridiculous. Just this news bar is like 300 ticks. Hey, tell me if I'm wrong too, but to me, this is like, I'm reading this at 300 ticks. That's crazy to me. News bar, I was like, cool, there's a pullback happening. Okay, and then I got in on this break. Cleared about 80. Again, I'm aiming for 160. So 1 to 3, whatever. Boom. 2 minutes later, stopped out. So yeah, stopped out. And then look what price did. Came all the way back up to that one resistance zone and then shot all the way down. And how far did the price move? Why do I think the NQ has a lot of potential? Because price rejected off of here and shot down 1,000 ticks. Again, in the comment section, anybody that's like trading the NQ, if I'm wrong, yeah, 1,000 down here. That's crazy to me. That's crazy. So yeah, don't make stupid mistakes like this. Practice, do a sim account. Don't do dumb shit like this and hop into a new instrument on your challenge, right? All right, I'll catch y'all tomorrow where we in the green. All right, peace.